2015 Hyundai Wia. Spindle is at 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000. 6,000 RPM. And our final stop will be 11,000. Oh no, we'll do 9 first. There's 9. Absolutely beautiful sounding machine. This machine has under 600 total hours on it. The paint reflects that. We believe that to be accurate. If you take a look inside the machine, you can see just how clean it is. Doing a rigid tap pattern right here. It does have rinse out down here to get the chips out. There is a chip conveyor included. Thanks for watching.